So I had a situation several months ago where somebody I know got caught up in the whole cryptocurrency thing, and they bought, I think it was $125,000 worth of mining rigs. Basically, these are specialized computers from China that allow you to generate cryptocurrencies. And I warned him a lot. I warned him a lot, many, many times. As you guys know, if you've been watching my vlogs, I bought with a friend of mine, we bought two LTC machines, and we bought them, we mined them for a month, and we saw the top in the market, so we just sold everything before the crash. And I was totally transparent with the guy. He bought a whole bunch of machines. We just spent a small fraction of what he spent, as we never believed in it, as you know. And but we figured, we'll see what happens. We wanted to test the whole thing out in terms of the process of mining coins, etc., and creating wallets. Anyhow, long story short, so this dude took a huge bath. Like, whew, I think he lost everything because the machines are worthless now, and he hardly had a chance to mine them because of logistical issues, because of the power consumption of all these machines. So we have a mutual friend, and we used to do dinners together, but it's become a bit of a difficult situation for me to want to go out because this guy took such a bath, and I don't know if he told anybody. I haven't said anything. It's not in my place to mention bad news about people. And so there you go. This is one of the situations. I think when you're dealing with friends and finances and money comes up and business comes up, you got to be very, very, very careful, because if the person you're dealing with is not in the same place as you in terms of how they feel money should be handled, if they're not mature in that regard, and a lot of people aren't, and you can run into a conflict which could cause all kinds of problems in terms of your friendships, not just with them, but with maybe your circle of friends. So in terms of going into business with somebody be extremely, extremely careful about that. Be extremely careful about that, because at the end of the day, when money comes into question, it causes a huge amount of problems. I think 50-60% of divorces are a result of money pressure, so think about that. So there you go. Generally speaking, my advice to you, don't go into partnerships, financial partnerships. Don't lend money to friends or family. Don't go into business with friends or family unless you absolutely have to. Fights like that break out, financial fights. Better to lose a business partner where you're not super great friends, or your circle of families don't interact with each other, rather than get into a huge financial battle with a brother or sister, a cousin or something, where it has an impact in terms of the entire family social circle dynamic, right? So there you go. Another random vlog on a super sunny day. Bye-bye.